Mr. Clark is Raymond Fu. Today I'll be explaining quiz 8 question 1. First thing I have to do is import the lowercase alphabet and the uppercase alphabet. Then I have my function value of, and then I have letter equals to letter.lower. Just transform all the input into a lowercase. So if you put uppercase A, it would turn it into lowercase. And then I have a if. If the letter is between A and M, it will just find it. And A is 0, and I think M is 12, so it'll just find it. So just A 0, and yeah. And then else, it'll start from the back. That's why we have 25, because Z is 25. Then it'll go backwards. So yeah, that's what it does. And then I have these two, just print it, print LC. Lowercase, uppercase, and then the value, and then some lines. And then I have for letter in LC, which is lowercase, which this right here is the lowercase alphabet, and this is UC equals to letter. It turns the alphabet into uppercase. It will make sense later. And then input letter or, and then uppercase, and then space, and then actually the value. If I click run, we can see that it works here, and it will be easier if I explain it from here. So from A to M, it will lc.find the letter in the alphabet, and then you can see here up to M, all it does is just counts from 0, 1, 2, because each of these letter has a value assigned to it. And then if it's not between A and M, it will do 25 minus lc.find, which is from here. It just starts from Z, which is a 25, and then it will subtract according to the value, and that's how you get going down. And that's it.